Good job, Claire. Good job, Evan.
That's too rough. Lydia will with you.
She burped on me. Yeah.
Lydia.
Like she spit on me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lydia bit.
She was spitting up.
Lydia big bit. Oh yeah, she's
a little
big
spit.
naughty.
It wasn't naughty because she's a baby. That's why you burp her.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Lydia.
Claire, Austin, can you say hi? Where are we moving in like a week?
Virginia.
Yes.
Virginia.
Yeah.
Go.
Virginia?
Yeah.
Yeah.
South Dakota.